Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to unboxing and review this Realme Narzo 50. So if you're new in my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So as you can see, Narzo packaging, here is number 1 quality smartphone brand logo and Narzo branding and model number, and here is some specifications. Mainly Helio Z96 gaming processor. It's 120 Hz ultra smooth display, so it has 33 watt dart charge and also has massive 5000 milliampere battery. And I'm unboxing from here. Actually I don't have knife, so I just use my hand to opening. And here is security sticker. So opening, here is the feel the power and Narzo. Realme provide a silicone cover which is very soft, and here is some paperwork, and also they provide a SIM card ejector. Then main device completely wrapped, then USB cable. I think it is USB type C, USB type A to USB type C. Here is massive power adapter which is provide 33 watt power, so it will charge your phone very quickly. Realme has been trying out different texture and pattern with their number and Narzo series phone. Well, the recently launched number series phone Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a sparkly and shine back. The Realme Narzo 50 get to fluent and clever speed texture design. While holding it on my hand, it reminded me of the OnePlus 6 Marvel limited edition phone. The texture pattern on the Realme Narzo 50 is quite similar to one OnePlus phone. Well, at the time OnePlus presented it as inspired by Marvel Avengers, while Realme is claiming its Narzo phone back inspired by a race car. Nonetheless, the back panel of the phone does texture at the center with smooth finish on its left and right side. The variant I received is speed blue in color, and I loved the shade. The right edge of the phone has a power button, and while on the left side there is a volume rocker and a SIM card tray. The back has rectangular module housing a triple camera setup and LED flash, while the front has a selfie camera at the top corner. The bottom has a headphone jack, speaker grill and charging port, while the top side is left clean. The smartphone weight 194 gram and feels okay in hand, though I still wish dimension could have been kept a little more compact. Now talk about display. The smartphone has a 6.6 inch full HD LCD panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz touch sampling rate. It comes with 480 nits peak brightness and 2412 into 1080 resolutions, 19.8% skin to body ratio and 401 ppi. At first look, the display seemed bright and vibrant. The touch was very responsive and switching between apps is okay. I also saw trailer of Doctor Strange Multiverse of Madness, and what I could see was a vibrant picture quality with lifelike colors. And battery, Realme Narzo 50 packs a 5000 milliampere battery, is paired with a 33 watt fast charger. When charging, the smartphone took about an hour to recharge to 100%. Is long but manageable. Battery saver option like power saving mode, sleep optimizations, app freezer also help us save battery. For a person with moderate use, the battery lasts for a day and half. If you are heavy user, you will have to charge it once a day. Like most Realme smartphone, the Narzo 52 comes running on the Realme UI 2.0 based Android 11. The latest version of Realme custom skin has noticeable improvement all along. It is much more fluid with a handful of customization options. Realme Narzo 50 has a single bottom firing speaker which gives okay sound quality. Dual speaker would have been a better choice, and also upgrading normal speaker to stereo speaker is the need of the hour. The signal quality on Narzo 50 doesn't disappoint even if you are in a low network zone. Hardware wise, the Realme Narzo series phone have always been featured as performance centric device. Realme once again followed the same template by offering MediaTek Helio Z96 octa-core processor, which we witness in Realme 8i. The chipset is fabricated using a 12nm node. It has two Cortex A76 core performance core clocked at 2.05 Hz and 6 Cortex A55 core efficiency cores taking 2.0 GHz. Since we have experienced the Helio Z96 SoC in the past, we knew what to expect even before we started using the Narzo 50. As expected, performance is not issue here. I was able to run several apps without any hiccup. The smartphone has a gaming mode too, which allow you to source style and notification setting for your games. Games run smoothly on the device without any lags of phone warming up. The Narzo 50 comes with a triple camera setup on the rear. It has 50 megapixel primary lens with a large area and f1.8 aperture along with 4x zoom. In addition, it has a 2 megapixel macro as well as BMW lens 2 for more photography options. There is a selfie camera too at the front. It can record video up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The camera setup comes with features like portrait mode, AI scene enhancement, pro expert mode, ultra macro, and so on. Daylight picture that I clicked using the Narzo 50 camera turn it impressive even under harass sunlight. What impressed me the most is the portrait mode, as it gives detailed photo. Night mode is strictly average and might work for only casual users. The overall camera setup is decent. The 16 megapixel selfie camera does its job well too. Clicking selfies in sunlight is a problem as the face doesn't seem to be visible many a time. I did not face this issue with Narzo 50 selfie camera. I clicked this selfie in bright sunlight and they came out to be as clear as water. So pretty much that's it. If you like this video, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.